This is Dr. Camerling at Family Chiropractic Care. Just wanted to give a little message on hand washing. It's really good and it's super effective. I prefer that over the hand sanitizers. Hand washing is always better. Hand sanitizers do knock down a lot of the bugs and kill them some, but it leaves them on your hand, and so it's just good to use running water, soap, and get them off. Secondly, regarding the soaps that you use, I would not use an antibacterial soap, and the same reason why is because if you're taking antibiotics, it tends to kill out all the good bacteria in your gut and makes you set up for yeast infections and other things like that. Sometimes we really need antibiotics, we must take them. Sometimes you may need or feel the need for antibacterial soap. However, I would steer you away from that as best you can, just because it kills the good bacteria on your hands that are intended to help combat and work for you as your immune system. So it's good to leave those there. Secondly, when you're hand washing, the reason that we're washing the hands and what's happening is, number one, you want to knock down the population of germs that are on your hand. Try to reduce that as much as you can. Soap, and the point of the soap is to break through the oils and to lift the dirt and the germs off the hands so they can wash away with the water. So it is good to have soap, but you can wash your hands without soap. It's more effective with soap, so we recommend that. So get your paper towel set if you're in a public restroom beforehand. Go ahead and wave your hand and let it come down and get that prepared. When you wash your hands, just get them wet first. Get a little soap. You're going to have an action going back and forth with the fingers being interlaced like this. Use the thumbs, go around the back of the palms just like this. I know this seems very elementary, but not all of us do it this thoroughly, I guess. So just, go around like that 3 to 5 times with the fingers wrapping around. You want to work underneath any rings that you have so you get the germs out from underneath there as well. Next, you want to take and you want to go around each of the fingernails, do all 10. You have to do it a lot, and then come back through, start to rinse about halfway through. Just do a few more agitation motions with the hand. Make sure you've gotten it all pretty loosened up. Then go back and continue rinsing. Now, when you rinse, you really want to rinse all of it away. It really is the rinsing of them to knock them away more than it is the soap doing something to them. So you really do want to rinse very well with warm to hot water. Once you've rinsed very well, shake the hands off, get a paper towel. Once you've gotten them pretty patted dry, then turn the water off. That way you don't have to touch the handles. This is especially good if you're in a public restroom. If you're in your own home, you can go ahead and turn it off. Once I'm done with that, then just kind of wipe down and clean up the area for anyone coming behind you. That's the polite thing to do. Stay safe, wash your hands. Dr. Camerling with Family Chiropractic Care. If you have any questions, give us a call.